In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use WooCommerce in WordPress. Now, WooCommerce is a fantastic tool that enables you to turn your WordPress site into a fully functional online store. Whether you're selling physical products, digital downloads, or any type of service subscription, WooCommerce has you covered. So, let's dive right in and take it step by step to get your online store up and running. First things first, you'll want to head over to your WordPress dashboard. This is essentially the control center for your online site. Once you're there, navigate to the Plugins section and select Add New. It's here where we'll be searching for WooCommerce. Simply type WooCommerce into the search bar, and you'll see it pop up as one of the top results. Go ahead and click on the Install Now button, and once that's complete, you'll want to activate it right away. Activating WooCommerce will immediately launch its setup wizard, which is our next stop. When you begin with the WooCommerce setup wizard, you'll be prompted to fill in some important details about your store. Start by entering your store's address. This is crucial for identifying your business location and, if needed, calculating tax rates and shipping costs. Next, you'll choose your preferred currency, along with the regions where you plan to sell. You can always change these selections later if your business needs evolve. Then, it's time to choose the types of products you'll be offering. These can range from physical items to digital downloads and even subscriptions. This is where you start tailoring WooCommerce to fit your business model. After these choices, set up your payment methods, including options like PayPal, Stripe, or payments upon delivery if that's something you offer. You'll also be asked to configure shipping zones and create rates based on where you'll be delivering your products. Now, let's talk about themes, a critical aspect of your store's appearance. WooCommerce is compatible with many themes. You could pick something like Storefront or any other WooCommerce-compatible theme that suits the aesthetic you're going for. The best part is you can always revisit any setup step, so don't worry if you're unsure right now. Once the initial setup is complete, it's time to add some products. Head to the Products section on your dashboard and click Add New. Here, you'll be able to input the title, description, and price of each product. Don't forget to include your product images and a gallery if you have multiple shots. You'll also enter important specifics like inventory numbers, stock status, and shipping info, including weight and dimensions. You can also specify the product type, choosing from simple, variable, downloadable, and more. Once you've filled out all this information, simply click Publish to make the product live on your site. Finally, let's focus on customizing your store to make sure it really stands out. Navigate to Appearance and then Customize. Choose a WooCommerce compatible theme, perhaps Astra, Storefront, or Neve. Once that's selected, go ahead and customize the layout, colors, and branding to align with your vision. You can also use tools like Gutenberg or Elementor to design specific pages on your store, giving you flexibility and control over your store's look and feel. And there you have it, folks, a fully functional WooCommerce store. I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to revisit any of these steps as you continue to build and refine your store. Happy selling!